It has finally happened. Countless Walmart videos into the year. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas. In this evening's video, we are gonna be doing a big Walmart unboxing, and I think it has finally happened. Countless Walmart videos into the year, and I think we have gotten to our last big Walmart drop. There will be a few items here and there, I'm sure, that will come in, but this is really the end of the big launches. So I'm excited to get into these packages, see what's going on at Walmart. Everything's gonna be listed below in the description box, as well as over on the pinned comment section. So let's get into it. And I've been trying to, in my last couple of videos, pre-open stuff, but I did not get to much today. So we are gonna all be surprised together. Oh my gosh, okay, we're starting off with a really good one. So I mentioned in my last Walmart unboxing, I was wearing that Time and True bedazzled cardigan, and I mentioned that there was a sweater version that has the same bedazzled accent. It just has it on the shoulder instead. This is such a pretty sweater. I picked it up in the white, but I think it's available in a couple of other color options. And you guys, the buttons are functional. I'm not quite sure why you would unbutton these here at the top, but you can. And I did pick this up in a small. It does look like it's gonna be a little oversized on its own, minimally a more relaxed fit. So I'm curious to see what this looks like on. And I could be wrong, but it does look like it has a pretty exaggerated sleeve. I think this is a very pretty sweater, and it's $23. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, this is a sweatshirt from Free Assembly. I love the Free Assembly sweatsuits. They normally do kind of an updated version every year, but this just looks like a classic hoodie style. It's lightly fleece lined. It does have this kangaroo pocket here in the front, and I think it's just gonna perfectly skim your waistline. It's not gonna be too long, it's not gonna be cropped. And I did pick this up in a medium. So I did size one up in this, another one that I'm curious to see how it fits. And there is a matching sweat pant in one of these boxes. And I think in one of these boxes, I've also picked it up in the black. And by the feel of it, I think my headbands are in this package. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. Okay, so these are from Time and True, and they are this padded, puffier headband. It is a very on-trend headband style, but they are bedazzled. These are only $7. That's a really great price. I would see more embellished headbands on Revolve or another website. I'm sure would be, you know, $100. I picked these up in the cream, and I think the black is also in there. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it's even coming across on screen, but these are stunning. I would think these were a lot more expensive. They have just a light embellishment to the rhinestones. I mean, they're bedazzled all over, but the rhinestones are really small, so it looks more elegant, if that can be true, for something that's completely bedazzled. And I really love it in the black too. And here's what the black looks like on. I might like it even better than the cream. If you have a holiday event coming up, a work party, Christmas happy hour, New Year's Eve, this is a really fun find. They look very designer inspired. And I already know those are too well priced. They're gonna go really quickly. If you can't pick those up online, I would check in store since they are Time and True. Let's see what's in our next bag. Oh, this one came on a hanger. So in here is this creamy kind of winter white turtleneck. This is from Time and True. It's $15. This is just a great basic. This is a ribbed turtleneck. It's nice and lightweight. And this does look like it's gonna be more see-through, as most white tops are. So I would definitely wear this with a nude undergarment, a lighter undergarment. But what a great layering piece. I can throw this on with a blazer. I could put a zip up over it, really anything. This is just a good wardrobe essential. If you don't have any turtlenecks in your closet, I do recommend the Time and True ones. And I'm not expecting this to be too oversized or fitted. I think it's just gonna be that comfort fit. All right, so in here, I do have some new Joy Spun PJs. This is the latest link that I've seen drop from them. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So I have shared their velour PJs, their plush PJs, but these are a lightweight flannel. They come in a lot of different patterns and style options for the holidays, but this is a hot pink and red flannel that does have a strip of metallic gold running through it. It is really pretty. So you are getting the button long sleeve top, and it does have the matching pant. But these are great pant. They're a wide leg style, if I didn't mention that. They have pockets, and this little set, I got this in a small, Both pieces are $25. And public service announcement, if you are a Christmas PJ person, if you get that for your family, they are always the first to go. So I wouldn't wait on those. Equally a reminder for myself. Okay, and in here, I think I have 2 more turtlenecks. I think these are the same as the cream Time and True that I just shared. So I did also pick it up in gray, which gray, silver, majorly trending. I would love these paired with a gray trouser that would look so expensive for a $15 turtleneck. And then I also picked it up in this holiday red. I've been very into red this season, me and everyone else. Red for Christmas, groundbreaking.
Morals for spring, groundbreaking.
But these have a really nice weight to it, and if you're worried about it being see-through, like I mentioned, the cream's a little see-through, but neither one of these other colors are. I feel like a kid on Christmas trying to find out what's in my packages. I think there's a puffer in here. Yes, okay, so this is the Love and Sports puffer vest, I think. They did a puffer jacket and a puffer vest. Wow, this is so much prettier in person than online. I didn't realize when I ordered this that it's kind of a pearlescent. I'm not sure if it's coming across, but it has a little bit of a sheen to it, and it does have these black accents. It looks really expensive. Definitely looks like something that you would pick up from Aloe. It does have these bungee cords at the top. It's a hooded style. You do have 2 zipper pockets, and the inside is also black. And they do have their logo on the inside of the puffer vest next to the zipper. I'm really liking how Love and Sports has kind of downplayed their logo this year. It looks more expensive. It's been a lot of hidden logos or tonal logos. So this is what it looks like on. This is really cute. It does hit me right at my waistline, so it's not too cropped, but it's also not a long style either. This does come in 4 colors, including a bright fuchsia and a Kelly green. Okay, and I'm seeing in this box that I have the jacket version. So it has that same creamy pearlescent outer with the black accents, but this is going to be a long sleeve jacket version. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It does have all the same features as the vest, so this is basically the same thing. They just extended the sleeves on the jacket. So here's what the jacket looks like on, and this is about a medium weight puffer, I would say. Also, I just slipped my hand in the pocket, and half of the pocket is lined with kind of a nylon water resistant lining, and the other half has a fleece lining, so it's actually quite cozy in here. This is a really great puffer. I'm sure this is a look for less of a $200 or $300 puffer style. And up next to a dressy find, these are satin trousers from Free Assembly, and I think the only reason that these are in stock, because you guys know satin pants, dress pants at Walmart go really quickly, but the front photo on the website was the pattern version, which I did also pick up, but I think people just did not know. This black pair was under that link. This pant does have pleats in the front. It has belt loops and suit pockets, and this does have number sizing. I picked this up in a 4, so I'm curious to see how this fits. This is a wide leg style, just first impressions. This is a very pretty pair of pants. And this is just going to be a classic trouser look. So if you're still in the market for some holiday looks, some holiday outfits, this would be a great pair to pick up. It's going to pair well with everything from your dressier tops, your sweaters, to your blazers, really anything. And here are the matching joggers to the Free Assembly sweats. So also lightly fleece lined. They have an elastic at the waist, a draw cord, you have pockets. And I also picked these up in a medium. Any of the Free Assembly sweats that I've tried in the past have more of an athletic look than that oversized trendy look, so that's why I did size up in these. So I did pick up the cream sweats in a medium to see if I could get more of that oversized look, but the black Free Assembly sweats, which is what I have right here, I did get in a small. But other than the size difference, this is the exact same set. And in one of my last videos, I did show the Time and True button-down satin shirt in black, and I liked it so much that I did order it in the other color that was available. It's this really pretty champagne neutral. So it's a button-down style, and the buttons do have this pearlescent look. This shirt has really nice design details. It does have this pleat in the back that goes into a split. And overall, this has more of a blousey fit than some of the men's shirt dressing that we've seen. I'm gonna love this paired with browns, creams, whites. This would also be long enough, I think, if you wanted to wear it with dressier leggings. Maybe you have some velvet leggings, some faux suede leggings. I think you could get away with that. And that's kind of how I was imagining imagining myself styling this, so I did size one up to a medium, and this top is $18. I think the fabrication on this definitely looks like a more expensive style. This is the tiniest bag. I have no idea what could be in here. Okay, a beanie. We love to see it. I love beanies, but specifically, I love beanies with the big pom-pom. I just find that those are more flattering on me personally. And this is a really pretty one. It comes in a great neutral colorway and this Fair Isle print. It also has this really soft plush interior that I was not expecting for it to have. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. This is such a good one. I think this one might be sold out online. I know, but it is time and true, so you should be able to find it in store. And this one is worth the hunt if you like beanies. So in here, I do have a delivery from store. And yes, it is another time and true turtleneck, this time in black. In the famous words of Kim Gravel, I know I have some QVC watchers out there, when you find something good, you gotta buy deep. And then I was really excited about this next item. This is a shacket from Time and True, but just looking at it on the website, this does look like it's gonna be on the medium to heavy weight, so I would think about this one more as an actual jacket, but it comes in the prettiest color, and this is so much softer than I would have initially thought. This has a great feel to it. Walmart is calling this boucle, which when I think of boucle, I think of the chair that I'm sitting in where it has even more texture to it, which I get asked about these chairs all the time. They're from Target. I will link them below. The fabric isn't quite as textured as that, but it definitely has the feel. It has these oversized buttons. It has these large patch pockets in the front, and I will go ahead and throw this on. I did size one up in this. I wanted to make sure I had an oversized fit. This is really cute on. Two things though. It's not lined, which that personally doesn't offend me, but I do want to point that out. It has a free floating pocket though, which if you had this buttoned wouldn't matter at all. There's no way for me to do this without laughing, but the pockets are just free floating. I don't think that would keep me from wearing it because I personally don't walk around with my hands in my pockets, but if you're somewhere cold, you might. So I do feel the need to warn y'all. If you can't tell, we were so amused about this jacket. It really is such a pretty jacket. Might need to be buttoned up though. These unboxings, these get weird at night.